In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your comments in the Sheets app using your Google Sheets mobile. So I have this spreadsheet open on my Sheets app, and what I wanted to do was to just delete the existing comments right here. So as you'll see here in my tabs, I do have 2 comments on my first sheet and 1 comment on this sheet. First, to view all of your comments, just go to the top right here and tap on that icon. And here we have all the comments. So we have 3 in total. Again, 2 from our sheet 1 and 1 from our sheet 2. To quickly delete a comment, just tap on the ellipsis at the right corner of each of those comments and select delete. Tap on yes, and there you have it. We've deleted our first comment. And we're going to do the same thing for our 2 comments right here. Just tap on the ellipsis, tap on delete, and tap on yes. Last one, tap on the ellipsis, tap on delete, and tap on yes. And here we have it. We've cleared out all the comments within our spreadsheet. Tap on the X mark, and here we have it. So right now you still see those comment icons on our sheet or tabs, but if we go back, then open it again, now we don't see those numbers right beside our sheet name at the bottom. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy you can delete all of your comments here in the Sheets app using your Google Sheets mobile. Now, if you're interested in learning how to use the Sheets app, I do have a full playlist to this that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.